Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to see who viewed your Instagram video. For that, go and open your Instagram and then head to your profile icon, tap there, and now go to your video, and there you can see three dot on beside your name. Tap there, and now you need to go and find view insights. That will be below adjust preview. Tap there, and now you can see the viewers. You cannot actually see who viewed your account because it was posted after, because it's been more than 24 hours of posting. But you can see who viewed your account, but you could see who viewed your video within 24 hours. Or if you want to check your story, but if you want to check who viewed your story, tap on your story. I haven't posted any right now, so I'll go on another one story, and here you will see an option that will show who viewed your and that will show who viewed your story. Just scroll a bit like this, and there you can see the name of people, the list of there you can see the list of people who viewed your story and who liked it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.